Good morning. As you can see, I just removed this one. I think this is called the tuner. I just got this classical guitar from eBay. And I was trying to put a new string. Okay, this is how it looks, this guitar. It's handmade handmade guitar by Japan. I think about by Alvarez. It was given to me by my father's gift, Father's Day, by my children. Uh, Costing about I think $200. It's handmade, and I was changing the string to. I cannot put the string one of them because this one of the tuner is obstructed the hole. Now I can put. Now I think there's a hole now. There's some misalignment of the hole. So what I did, I took out the tuner, this one here, okay. Then disassemble it. Then just get a plier, a small plier, and another two pliers. You need the two pliers. And this one, you have to align it. And one, this two, okay, and another one here. Just rotate it, rotate until you, until the wall. I mean, until the hole will appear. Okay, and if the hole is there already, and then you're okay. Make sure um, it's aligned. Okay, that's it. Then you just put it back. And if you want to put a glue there, that will be better. That way, as time goes by, it might misalign again. Okay. Anyway, you seldom put a new screen. Okay. You can do it to the rest of the peg or tuner hole there. Okay. I think that's it. Okay. I'm not going to buy a new tuner anymore. I'll just try. Hopefully this work. Okay. Okay. God bless you. Nice day.